Today, we will show you how to record a pool swim activity on your compatible Garmin smartwatch. In this video, we will be using a fēnix 8 smartwatch, but instructions are similar on other devices. See your owner's manual for more information. First, press the top right button to open the Apps and Activities list. Next, select Activities. Then, select the Pool Swim activity. To add this activity to your smartwatch, scroll down and select Edit, followed by Add. Select Pool Swim from the Swimming folder to add it to your smartwatch. Now, press the bottom right button twice to return to the Activities list. Then, open the Pool Swim activity. Your smartwatch will prompt you to enter the pool size the first time you open the Pool Swim activity. You can also add a custom pool size from this menu. Entering the correct pool size ensures accurate metrics. Scroll down and select Pool Swim Settings. Here, you can adjust the data screens, change your pool size, change auto rest settings, and more. Press the bottom right button to return to the Pool Swim activity. Scroll to the top of the screen and press the top right button to begin recording your Pool Swim activity. Your Garmin smartwatch calculates pool swim distance by multiplying the number of completed lengths by the pool size set on your device. Your smartwatch will detect completed lengths of the pool by looking for a pause in your swim stroke, followed by a long glide phase. Swim continuously throughout the length of the pool for the most accurate pool swim metrics. Pausing in the middle of a length can be detected as the completion of the length. This will result in inaccurate distance data. A long glide phase is required for your watch to detect a completed length of the pool. Use a strong push-off from the wall and a long glide phase. Swimming with a very slow stroke cadence or inexperience in lap swimming can also result in laps not being detected. For the best results, swim at a consistent pace and cadence using one of our 4 recognized competitive stroke types: freestyle, breaststroke, backstroke, or butterfly. Your watch will not record distance during tethered swimming or swimming in stationary pools such as infinity, endless, or swim spot pools. Use the bottom right button of your watch to manually capture rest periods or use the auto rest feature. Refer to your owner's manual for device compatibility with the auto rest feature. The drill log feature creates a swim interval labeled drill. Drills that involve decreased arm movement may result in no distance recorded. Use the drill logging feature for these types of drills or sets. Your drill logs will be displayed in the Garmin Connect smartphone application after the activity has been saved and uploaded. Select Laps. Your drills will be under the swim stroke section. Refer to your owner's manual for more information. Press the top right button to end your activity. Here you can select options such as resume, save, or discard the activity. Select Garmin smartwatches with a speaker and microphone will eject water when finished with your swim or other water activities. See our FAQ for more information about this feature. Once saved and synced, you will see your pool swim activity in the Garmin Connect smartphone application. Select Laps and rotate your smartphone for additional activity details. Swipe up or over to see more detailed information. For more help with the pool swim activity, subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.